Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Zareen and I belong to Peshawar. So I am now the student of 5-Star Institute Islamabad, situated in G-10. So at first my ambition was to prepare myself for TOEFL test to go abroad, inshallah. So for that purpose I searched, I look around in Peshawar, but there I didn't find even a single institute for preparatory classes. So every institute was in the position that we are just preparing IELTS classes, not TOEFL classes. So unfortunately I became disappointed and at last I googled. When I googled, I found there that which will be the best institute in Islamabad. So for that purposes, so at last I found that the 5-Star Institute in Islamabad, G-10. So I liked that and I just came here and got admitted here. So there I found a very, we can say that a very friendly environment. So with the grace of Allah Almighty and the best endeavors of my teacher, so Alhamdulillah I am not in the position to, inshallah very soon I will be appear in the TOEFL test exam, and inshallah I will get very high marks. At first even I don't know about the ABC of the TOEFL, but now after 1 month preparations with the efforts of my teacher and my homeworks, with the grace of Allah Almighty, inshallah now I am going to appear in the TOEFL exam and inshallah I will get very high marks. So my suggestion for those students who look for best institute for preparatory classes of the TOEFL as well as IELTS, so you should take admissions in 5-Star Institute, because inshallah you won't be disappointed from this institute and your future inshallah will be bright. So there is also hostel facilities available here, even in G-10. So inshallah you won't be disappointed in future and your future inshallah will be bright. So wish you best of luck. Thank you very much.